Chemical plant closures rarely stay contained. In our industry, feedstocks, intermediates, and byproducts are tightly linked, so one shutdown can trigger a cascade. Over the last 5 years, closure announcements have affected more than 120 plants globally, with nearly 50% announced in 2025 alone. The takeaway is straightforward. Don't just track the big upstream assets. It is important to map the full value chain. Who makes your critical intermediates? What upstream units do they rely on? And where is your downstream exposure, both products and end applications? The industry is going through a structural reset. Disruptions will continue to occur. Now is the time to pressure test your portfolio and build robustness into your supply chain.